paumanhin sina Bianca Gonzalez at Frankie Pangilinan dahil sa mga sinabi ng mga ito tungkol sa pumanaw na flight attendant. I am one of those who posted using the term rape and the hashtag justice because the authorities said it was rape. I feel ashamed but also so confused with the conflicting reports. The call for justice remains, but justice to find the truth for both Christine and the accused. My sympathies go out to Christine Becerra's family and friends. To everyone who might have been falsely accused in the news, what a nightmare this must be. I sincerely apologize for my tweet that added to the noise that it was rape. Sana lumabas ang katotohanan. Magkasunod na tweet ni Bianca nitong January 6. Before I sleep, I just like to reiterate how absolutely sorry I am for helping to spread misinformation. The authorities' statements were misleading and confusing and still are. So, I hope you can understand. Regardless, rape will never be okay. Though, it's really eating me up, guys. I read through articles before tweeting, but I should have waited knowing how the authorities function nowadays. It's sick and sad. I'm really sorry. I got caught up in the outrage. I promise I'll do better. I've deleted all of the misleading tweets, but I stand by everything I said, respecting girls. And I hope Christine still gets the justice she deserves. It's still a heartbreaking and gut-wrenching way to start the year. Sunod-sunod rin namang tweet ni Frankie ngayon lamang January 7.